In this video, I'm going to share with you 4 credit cards that you can get approved for even if you have lower or troubled credit scores. Now, with you being approved for these lines of credit, you can equal up a total lines of $20,000 worth of credit lines to help build your credit, or you can use it to help increase your credit score. Now, if you didn't know, you don't need to remove one negative item to see your credit score go up if you're under a 700 credit score. All you need to do is add on a line of credit, and this can help boost your credit score when that card report by 50 points on average. And you can add these cards onto your credit profile till you get to a 700 credit score. Now, you can do this effectively if you're under a 700 credit score. People that's over a 700 credit score should not use this strategy because age of credit is important, and any new line of credit can reduce your age of credit and dip down your credit score. But if you're under that 700 credit score, this can work for you and you do not have to dispute. Now, one thing you need to keep in mind, if you have any accounts that's currently late, such as your credit card or your car payment, make sure you catch those active credit lines up, because that negative item hitting you every month can get you denied for these cards. And also, it can keep your credit score down and you won't see that hack work for you. And you want to make sure, if you do have a charge off or a collection, many a times what I'm seeing lately, that these companies are hitting you late every month with a CO or a C. Check those accounts and make sure they're not hitting you late every month, because they're doing that to keep your score down, and that can get you denied because it looks like you're currently late. And with my elite credit system, my user Greg was able to remove a collection in 12 days. So if you need my help with my one-on-one coaching or my AI software with my credit coaching, those links are in the description of the video and in the pinned comment section. Now, as long as that's not happening with that collection or charge off, you don't have to dispute it and remove it, because as long as it's not hitting you every month late, then it will not keep your credit score down. So let's jump into these credit cards. Now, these are soft pull pre-approval credit cards. Keep in mind, it's letting you know if you're pre-qualified, so you don't get a ton of hard inquiries just aimlessly applying for credit cards. Now, this will give you an 80% chance of getting approved for that card, but it's not 100% guaranteed. It just lets you know that you fit in the category of a customer they're looking for. Now, if you already got hard inquiries, I give a free hard inquiry removal package at my website. You can download that for free, but we want to minimize you getting hard inquiries. So let's jump in to the first card. Now, with the Vantage Card, this is a card designed for rewards for buying gas. And with this card, they have a Visa version of this card, and you can earn up to 55 cents per gallon in fuel credits with a Techron Advantage Visa credit card. Now, you can also earn 45 cents per gallon in fuel credits with Techron Advantage credit card. They have the Visa and they have a credit card version without a Visa logo. Now, you can see if you pre-qualify without it affecting your credit score with a soft pull. This card has a 29.99% APR, and you will need a 620 credit score and up. And with this being a Synchrony credit card, they will be pulling for either TransUnion or Experian for your credit card approval from those two bureaus. Ashley Advantage credit card. Now, with Synchrony Bank, they pull from TransUnion. And for this account,
You can qualify as less with a 640 credit score. But like I said, you guys, just make sure nothing new has hit your credit report, because if so, you need to wait, okay? So you don't get denied for the card, even if they show you you have been approved. The great thing about using furniture accounts or even store cards, unlike dealing with bank cards that's subprime, they don't have a high annual fee. So with this card, you will have a 0 annual fee. But one downside, the interest rates on this card is 0.99%. But if you are getting the 0% interest, that can work to your advantage if you pay it off before that interest rate you actually kick in, if you qualify for the 0 interest, so you can use it that way. To the bottom and hit the pre-qualification, and oh well, what you want to do is hit the learn more for the pre-qualification, and it will lead you here to this page. And the link will be in the description of the video, and you can just go ahead to pre-qualify now.
Now, the next card you can look into for a soft pull pre-qualification is Wayfair. Now, with Wayfair, you can get furniture, and many a times with these kind of cards, like I told you guys, they can give you a larger limit. Now, with Wayfair, you can see if you can pre-qualify, and they have special financing with no interest for 24 months, and they have two versions of their card, a MasterCard and a store card version, where you can get cash back online purchases. You receive cash back, but with the MasterCard version, you can use this anywhere. They are backed by Citibank, and so with Citibank, for the MasterCard, you only need a 650 credit score to get approved. But with the store card, you can get approved as little as a credit score of 580 for Wayfair. So this can be a great opportunity for you to get a store card. And all of these cards I'm naming have no annual fees. But instead of starting off with some of these like First Premier Bank, Credit One banks that have high annual fees, this is a great option so you're not hit with that. Now, the next option is American Eagle. They have a Visa Reward Signature card. Now, with this card, it is approved by Synchrony Bank, so it is easier to obtain. They give you rewards, and if you get the Visa version, you can use this card anywhere. And like I said, with the other cards, there's 0 annual fees. So if you're shopping and you want to build credit, this is a great card to do so. So with the American Eagle credit card, and which is a Visa option, and they also have a store option. If you don't get approved for the Visa, which would require like a 660 credit score and up, you can still get the store option. And so with the store option, they're gonna pull from TransUnion. You can get the store option with a credit score as low as a 620 credit score, and both the Visa version and the store version is going to pull from TransUnion. So you want to check out your TransUnion scores. You want to hit apply, and then you will choose the card that you're applying for, and then you will go ahead and process the pre-approval. So you'll see if you're pre-approved or pre-qualified. And if you are, you can choose to go for this card. But always remember, with all of these options, it will result into a hard pull if you receive the card, whether you're approved or not. But if you pull the trigger, it will be a hard inquiry pull. Now, hopefully that information was helpful. If you have any questions or comments, leave it in the comments section. But more detailed questions for me, you can go to my website, and all your questions go directly to my cell phone. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Stay tuned.